Hey y'all, how y'all doing? I'm not sure why I just came on the camera like this, but y'all already know. Excuse the rain if y'all hear it in the background, y'all. It is raining here, and excuse this hair. I don't know what Miss Ma'am trying to do. I guess she wanted to be flipped up because I had her wrapped around like that today, so I guess she want to stay flipped up. But today, you guys, I am bringing you a review on the, let me make sure I say it right, Loreal Unbelieva-Brow Longwear Brow Gel. And I have the shade, what shade is this one? Dark Brunette. Okay, well, drop, why don't you? I have it in the shade Dark Brunette, and I got mine from Walmart. I actually got this a while ago, and like when I say a while, I mean I probably got this more than 6 months ago, and it was sitting in the wrapper, and I guess I forgot about it, but that's okay because I forget about a lot of stuff that I have. That's just me. I'm a forgetful person. Charge it to my head, not my heart. But I saw this in Walmart, and at the time before we went on lockdown mode, I stayed probably 30 to 35 minutes away from my job when I was in the office, so I wanted something that was going to make my morning routine quicker. And so I saw that the package said that this was 48-hour wear, and I was like, that sounds like something I want. That sounds like something I need. So I picked this up, and at the time that I got it from Walmart, I think it was probably $10. But I did find it at Ulta, and I'm gonna read some of the details that is listed here on Ulta about it. It says brows for days, enhanced up to 48 hours. Unbelieva-Brow Loreal Paris's first longwear brow gel fills and thickens for brows that last. Build and sculpt your dream brow from natural to intense. Formulated with longwear polymers, they create a waterproof film to seal in pigments onto brow hair and spherical silica for natural looking color. Waterproof, no smudge, no transfer, sweat resistance. 93% of women agreed it has good wear. 82% agreed it resists a long workout. The benefits of the Unbelieva-Brow: the Unbelieva-Brow Longwear Brow Gel fills and thickens brows that last. Longwear Brow Gel to fill and thicken brows that, I just said that. Experience brows for days, enhanced up to 48 hours. Waterproof, no smudge, no transfer, sweat resistance. Achieves a natural brow look that helps outline and define brow shape. And you guys, I can honestly say that these claims that they have listed here on the Ulta website, I'm not ashy. Okay, first time in a long time I've come on camera and I'm not ashy, okay. But I can actually agree with these claims that they have on Ulta because y'all don't mind the breakouts. A lot going on right now. It's Mother Nature is about to come visit me, so the face is breaking out. But focus on the eyebrows. That's what we're here for, the eyebrows. So I've had these on I did them last night. Yeah, I did them last night. Last night was Thursday, today is Friday, and I did them last night. And you guys, I slept on these eyebrows and everything. And usually if I fall asleep in my eyebrows with doing my eyebrows with the Wet n Wild pencil, my eyebrows gonna come off. They either gonna come off on my teddy bear or they're gonna come off on my pillow. But y'all look. Y'all, they ain't go nowhere. Hold on, let me do it again. Y'all, and I'm pushing, like y'all, they still on. So y'all, The only thing I can say negative about this product is I don't like this color on me particularly, because I feel like this color is ashy, and I like more warmer tones when I'm doing my eyebrows. But that's the only bad thing. I probably, because it does come in 5 colors. It comes in blonde, light brunette, brunette, dark brunette, and black. I'm not about to put black on my eyebrows, so I might pick up the light brunette and mix it with this. And y'all, if you see me looking down, I'm looking down at my iPad, but I'm probably gonna get the light brunette and mix it with this and see if I can get a no, I'll probably get the brunette, because this is the dark brunette, right? Yeah, this is the dark brunette. So I might just go ahead and get the brunette. Yeah, I'm probably gonna get the brunette, you guys, and try that one, just because even though, you know, the brows are on and they're clearly on, I still, you know, the color is a little ashy. It's a little too ashy for me, but the fact that these brows are still on and it's comfortable, it doesn't feel like I have anything up there. Like, I thought that this would feel like sticky or feel like my brows are can't move. I can't hit you with a I can. So I like these brows. They cute or whatever, but I do want to try the brunette shade out just to see if I like that better than this dark brunette. And y'all, I know y'all saw when I was doing my how I do my eyebrows when they're not plucked. First of all, let's get into the fact that I actually plucked my eyebrows, so they're clean up under there. So let's get into that fact first of all, and then I use this little spoolie angle brush combination. Y'all, it came with this, because I was trying to figure out where did this come from, and it came with this. And let me show y'all what the applicator looks like, because I would not suggest using this applicator. And this brush, I have relatively small hands, so it fits comfortably in my hand. If you have bigger hands bigger than me, I would suggest, and I don't see it right off the bat because I'm looking at my makeup brushes and I don't see it right off the bat, but if you have a longer spoolie brush combination, don't you fall, I'm gonna need you later, let me put you up. I would suggest using that if you have hands bigger than mine, because that small brush can be a little flimsy if your hands are big. But this is the way the applicator and the product looks. It's like a little, like a lip gloss applicator, but I wouldn't suggest just taking this and on your eyebrow, just because there's really no, hold on, okay, there's really, you see that there's really no precision as far as it goes, and it can get real messy doing it like this, and it dries quick, so you won't really have that time, that, you know, window of time to wipe it off if it does get everywhere, and that's not a good look. No. But came in just to give y'all that quick review of this product, and this product is a Danny approved. I do, however, want to try that brunette color, just because, like I said, this is a little ashy, but I mean, it works. And my mom and my friends said my eyebrows look good, so I guess my eyebrows look good. But you guys, definitely go pick this up. Like I said, I got this a while ago. It's $16.99 at Ulta. But y'all know Ulta had those little coupons, so even though it's $6.99 at Ulta, it's worth it. It's worth it because this is gonna last you a long time. It cuts down on the time it's gonna take for you to do your face. You can go to sleep in these. Now I'm hitting it. Still nothing, y'all. Still nothing. And I have oily skin, so I thought that, okay, I have oily skin, me going throughout the day, it's going to rub off, but no, they're still on. So I say it's worth it. I say it's worth it. And you guys, yes, I am in my robe. Y'all, we in a pandemic and I'm working from home. Let me do this. I call this my luxury robe because it's that cashmere velvet. This is my luxe robe. But yes, I do suggest you guys pick this up because it's Danny approved. Okay? Okay. So you guys, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend that I'm back with another one. DJ Khaled, another one. All right, you guys. Bye.